Hi, I'm Sadelle Wiltshire, and I've been teaching creative and meditative art for over 20 years. This is my fourth class on Skillshare, and I'll be showing you how to design and draw beautiful Celtic crosses and mandalas. The Celtic Cross is an ancient and captivating container of culture, beauty, and history. Their designs invoke mystery and inspiration. Examples can be found today not only in the British Isles, but worldwide. Full of ornamental design features, these motifs have appeared in stonework, pottery, jewelry, illustrations, and handcrafted manuscripts for hundreds of years and continue to inspire artists today. Celtic crosses make a great base for mandalas, knotwork, and patterns, and a beautiful addition to all kinds of art, craft, and illustration projects. In this class, you'll learn how to draw a Celtic High Cross as a basic template and easy ways to change styles, tips to plan out space for adding design elements, how to design and draw a couple of simple knotwork fills, plus a few decorative Celtic patterns, and tips and ideas for inking and adding color. This class is geared for both knotwork beginners as well as those with some experience. If you're new to knotwork, you'll learn a couple of easy patterns to use with your designs. And if you've taken any of my previous foundational knotwork classes in the series, you'll have even more sources. So, if you'd like to add a bit of Celtic style to your own artwork and illustrations, or you're looking to add a traditional motif to your art, come on in. I hope you'll join me and pick up your pens and pencils and let's get started.